Did you know that your body starts losing muscle quietly? Little by little, starting as early as your 30s. It's something most people never notice until they feel weaker, slower, and more tired than before. But here's the good news. Preventing muscle loss, and even rebuilding muscle, can be as simple as adding the right fruits to your daily routine. I'll explain how each fruit works, how much to eat, and simple ways to enjoy them every day. So, let's get started and help your body stay strong from the inside out. Yes, fruits. Nature's sweetest medicine as we grow older. Whether in our 30s, 40s, or beyond, our body naturally begins losing muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia, and it's more common than you might think. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which keeps your joints, tendons, and ligaments strong. Or combine orange segments in salads for a fresh twist. This includes blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are packed with polyphenols and antioxidants, which help protect your muscles from oxidative stress, a silent process that breaks down healthy muscle cells over time. Avocados give your body healthy fats, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E. These nutrients help your muscles recover after workouts, reduce joint pain, and support the hormones responsible for maintaining your muscle mass. Eating berries daily helps reduce muscle inflammation, speed up recovery after physical activity, and keep your joints and muscles feeling younger. Or a snack throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. Bananas prevent cramps and fuel recovery. Oranges boost collagen and joint strength. Berries fight muscle breakdown and inflammation. Start your day with a banana or citrus fruit. Add berries to your breakfast or afternoon snack. Include avocado with your lunch or dinner. And enjoy watermelon as your post-exercise hydration. And tell us in the comments, which of these fruits will you be adding to your diet? Avocados provide healthy fats and reduce soreness. And watermelon hydrates and improves blood flow to muscles. Pair these fruits with lean proteins, regular movement, and plenty of water. Watermelon cools, hydrates, and heals your muscles. All in one. Oranges Dawn Tea just brighten your meals. They help protect and rebuild the tissues that support your muscles. Sprinkle over oats, yogurt. Berries are small but mighty, protecting your muscles from the inside. Half an avocado daily is ideal. Add to salads, sandwiches, or grain bowls. Blend into smoothies for a creamy, satisfying texture. Think of avocado as clean, long-lasting fuel for your muscles. Oranges also provide natural hydration, antioxidants that soothe inflammation, and potassium for muscle function. Collagen is the framework that holds your muscles together. You might notice less energy, slower workout, recovery, joint pain, or stiffness. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful fruits that naturally rebuild muscle, improve recovery, and help you stay stronger, no matter your age. Our muscles also need anti-inflammatory compounds, antioxidants, minerals, like potassium and magnesium, and healthy blood flow to carry oxygen and nutrients to the muscles. And that's where fruits come in. Let's explore the top 5 fruits that can help rebuild, repair, and protect your muscles naturally. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, a natural amino acid that boosts blood flow to muscles. Better blood flow means your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Plus, the high water content helps flush out toxins that slow down recovery. Let's start with understanding why muscle loss happens. Now, you might think protein is the only answer. Let's begin with a fruit we all know. Bananas. Bananas are one of the best fruits for muscle health. They're rich in potassium, which prevents muscle cramps, magnesium, which helps your muscles relax and recover, and natural sugars that give you clean, lasting energy. Bananas also help regulate fluid balance in your muscles, keeping them hydrated and ready to perform. Here's how to use bananas. Enjoy one medium banana each day, ideally after exercise. Slice it into oatmeal or blend into a smoothie, or simply eat it as a quick, satisfying snack. Oranges are refreshing, hydrating, and rich in vitamin C. But why is that important for your muscles? Bananas are simple, nourishing, and one of your muscles' best friends. Next up, oranges. Ways to enjoy oranges. Fresh slices with breakfast. A glass of fresh orange juice. Now onto one of the most powerful fruit groups, berries. How to add berries to your diet. 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries daily. Blend them into smoothies. Yes, avocados are technically a fruit, and they're absolutely essential for muscle health. Avocados also help reduce chronic inflammation, giving your muscles and joints a calmer environment to grow and heal. Finally, watermelon. Delicious, hydrating, and secretly powerful for muscle recovery. How to enjoy watermelon. A bowl of fresh cubes after exercise. Watermelon juice as a post-workout drink. Now that you know the 5 most powerful fruits for rebuilding and protecting your muscles, let's review. These fruits are simple, natural, and easy to add to your meals. Remember, strong muscles aren't built overnight. They rebuild through small daily habits, like choosing the right foods to nourish and protect them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Stay healthy, stay strong, and take care of your body from the inside out.